Many doctors and alternative medicine practitioners believe that one essential component of achieving overall bodily health is having a colon that is clean and free of the toxins that can build up over time. Many of these same doctors and alternative medicine practitioners believe that one of the benefits of colon cleansing is the improvement of acne conditions. One process of colon cleansing is called colon hydrotherapy. This cleansing process involves the gentle bathing of the large intestine, or colon. The purified warm water that is used during colon hydrotherapy helps to remove the poisons, toxic materials, and buildup of waste from the body. Unlike an enema, which only cleans the first 2 feet of the large intestine with only a relatively small amount of water, a colon hydrotherapy treatment cleans the colon with between 15 and 25 gallons of water. This water cleans the entire colon and reaches difficult areas where fecal matter tends to gather and build up. Colon hydrotherapists often recommend that hydrotherapy treatments be received in conjunction with appropriate herbal remedies. Effective colon hydrotherapy treatments remove not only fecal material, but also excess mucus, bacteria, and parasites. Therapy treatments help to restore the colon to its original shape, which can get distorted over years of accommodating the buildup of waste. The restoration of the colon to its original shape helps it to move out waste materials more effectively. Hydrotherapy treatments can also help the body to have regular bowel movements without the disturbance of constipation and diarrhea. Those who practice colon hydrotherapy truly believe that this practice rejuvenates the body as a whole. The removal of toxins and poisons helps the body to alleviate many health problems like fatigue, frequent headaches or stomachaches, weight problems, allergies, and various skin conditions such as psoriasis and acne. Colon hydrotherapy treatments also help the colon to be able to do its job better in the future, excreting wastes more efficiently and keeping polluting toxins out of the body. A colon that is working more efficiently is one that is helping to maintain overall body and skin health. We don't often think about it, but the skin is actually the body's largest excretory organ. When the colon is clogged with fecal matter, bacteria, and other toxins and waste material, the skin begins to act as an excretory substitute. Because problematic skin is so often an indication of an unhealthy colon in need of cleansing, antibiotics, skin medications, and topical creams may not work well to correct the problem. Vitamin A is of vital importance to overall skin health, and to maintaining skin that is free of acne and other conditions. Dietary vitamin A enters the body largely through absorption through the walls of the large intestine, or colon. The colon, in a state of ill health, has a difficult time absorbing adequate amounts of vitamin A. A healthy colon that has received cleansing hydrotherapy will more effectively absorb vitamin A, helping the skin to maintain clarity and good health. Many people who suffer from various skin problems, such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema, find that their skin conditions improve after colon hydrotherapy treatments. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.